How to install Samsung Music on Galaxy S25 series. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can install the Samsung Music app. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Installing Samsung Music on Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra, it's fairly simple. If you want to install Samsung Music on those devices, right, what you have to do is open up Galaxy Store, not Play Store, but Galaxy Store that comes with default on Samsung Galaxy devices. Once you open your Galaxy Store, tap the search bar or the icon from the top right hand side, then simply search for Samsung Music. There you can find the official Samsung Music app, and if you want to install it, you can just tap the install button from the bottom. Depending upon your phone, it may take some time for the application to successfully download, but you might just want to be patient and wait until the app has been downloaded. This way you can install Samsung Music on Galaxy S25 series. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.